YouTube. It's Friday afternoon. I finished my day and I have my first service call. I'm on call this week. So this emergency service is about a walk-in freezer that has been holding 0 degrees for the last 2 hours. I just spoke to the manager and she says that in the morning the temperature in the walk-in freezer, I don't know if I told you walk-in cooler. So it's holding 0 degrees. It's not going higher, but it's not going lower either. So they've been watching it, and so that's where I'm going. I guess this is the same place where I found the bug in the contactor. The bug, you know, the sticky bugs. Manager mentioned that this is the season of the bugs. She just said that. She said, yeah, this is the season of the bugs. And I was wondering if we probably having that issue. Then I thought, well, probably this is the same place. Probably it's the same problem. All right, here we are. This is the walk-in freezer. As you can see, it's on 0 degrees. So we're just gonna make sure that the evaporator fans are running. First thing, we're gonna check for ice in the evaporator. And also we're gonna check if that temperature is right. All right. You can see light through. So it's here. Second thing we're gonna check is this. It got this Beacon 2 controller. So it says cool -6, I guess. Yeah, -6. So that's the temperature that is reading on the evaporator. See, my temperature right now is very low. Well, you can see -4. So we're gonna let the thermometer be there for a few minutes, and I'm gonna go out before I freeze my ass. Okay. See, this thermometer is showing 0 degrees. These people has a log in which they record the temperature every hour. Since the morning they've been reading 0 degrees. Now I'm wondering if probably the thermometer is probably bad. My thermometer, I just drop it in, and you saw after probably couple 30 seconds or 40 seconds it was already in the minus range. So I'm gonna let this stay for a little while, and then we're gonna come back inside and we're gonna check in. Alright, temperature is still on 0. Take a look inside. I don't know if you can see, minus 13, minus 14. Let's take a look at the beacon 2 controller. It's in minus 9. Well, you know, we have to consider that the sensor for this is in the back. The supply is, you know, is way colder. No ice in the evaporator. No alarms in the controller, so everything is pretty much alright. My thermometer is right here, the bulb is right here. I don't know what is happening with it. I guess it's just bad. So we're gonna order a new one for these people. See, anyways, this got them light. All right. So it is reading, but it's way off. So yeah, we need another thermometer. So I guess I got one in my truck, one of these. So I'm gonna get it, and we're gonna replace it. So let me go get it. They have 2 walk-in freezers, and the other walk-in, they have the ice cream and everything else. They got food in this one. Yeah, I don't see any damage. Alright. Let's see. I don't know, there's some place. I don't know why this section over here that has been always a mess. I can never get it straight out. It's always a mess. This one is a 2-inch, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so this is 2-inch, I guess. Well, I'm gonna bring both just in case. we're gonna install the one that it fits better. And we're gonna check that the temperature is good and it's accurate with my thermometer. It's a nice day, but it's a little humid. So we can see how much off we are. In the meantime, two inches. I think this one is gonna fit. Two. Beautiful. This is what I need. Alright, I had my thermometer for about 10 minutes and you can see already we are in -5.5 almost, and we're still struggling trying to reach 0 degrees in the one in the bottom. So obviously the problem is in the thermometer. The system is working alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this thermometer, get a new one in, and check again. Okay, that's the old sensor. I mean the old thermometer. Let me get the new one in. Alright. Let's see what happened. We have to go easy. Beautiful. Got it right here. Alright, I'm gonna get some silicone and I'm gonna put some silicone around. In the meantime, we're gonna leave it over here and see how the temperature it does. It's good to have a call like this once in a while. Not all the HVAC life is a struggle. Once in a while you got good calls like this one. Alright, I'm gonna get silicone and I'm gonna let it stay for a while so we can compare the temperatures and make sure that everything is fine. I'll be right back. Alright. My thermometer is showing 4.2, -4.2. This one is pretty much half away. Probably -4.5 probably. So this one is good. I just got the screws in. We're gonna get some like an old friend of mine used to say, monkey shit. Some clamps to hold the bulb and screws. We're gonna get everything in place. another screw because this one is missing. So I'm gonna go to my truck and find another one. But it's pretty much done. I'm kind of happy, you know. I don't have this piece of cake calls very often, and once in a while it's good to have it. So I'm gonna get the screw that the other one is missing. It fell inside, I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna get the screw and we're gonna be good to go. So alright, I guess this is it. Once in a while it's good to have a good call like this. Thank you guys for staying and watching. See you later.